Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about the process of glycolysis. I know some people will be complaining these concepts are very hard to understand, but today it's all over. It ends right now. I'm going to explain it to you in greater detail under a short period of time, and it will be done and you will have a better understanding at the end of this video. So stay right there. Let's dive into the process of glycolysis. Okay, this is the process of glycolysis. It should be acknowledged that this process occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. It does not occur in the mitochondria of the cell, and this process is the first stage of respiration. It refers to a process whereby glucose is being broken down into simpler molecules. Okay, so as the word glucose says, it is made up of glyco, which stands for glucose, and lysis, which means breaking down. So glucose is firstly phosphorylized by ATP to form ADP and inorganic phosphate into fructose phosphate. Okay, this is what happens first, and another molecule of ATP further phosphorylizes fructose phosphate into fructose biphosphate, and again ATP forms ADP and inorganic phosphate, and energy is released. Then we have fructose biphosphate, which is formed here, fructose biphosphate, which further breaks down to 2TP. This TP are an abbreviation of triose phosphate. These two molecules of triose phosphate undergo the same reactions. They undergo the same reactions. I repeat, they undergo the same reactions, and therefore each molecule of TP forms two molecules of ATP, which is the process which is happening here. ADP and the phosphate forms ATP, and then we have NAD, which is reduced from NADH to form the end product, which is pyruvate. This is the end product of glycolysis, and we have glucose undergoing these several stages all to form this molecule pyruvate. So the same process which occurs there is the same process which occurs to the other part of the ATP of the TP, which is in the opposite. So this is on all what happens between triose phosphate for it to form pyruvate. It forms two molecules of ATP, and it is dehydrogenized and reduces NAD to NADH. And mind you that these molecules of pyruvate are 3 carbon compounds. They are 3 carbon compounds which come from the breaking down of the 6 carbon compound to form 2 3 carbon compounds. So what happens to this TP is a reciprocate of what happens to this other TP. And I've come to this end of my video, and I hope you learned a lot while I was tutoring. And guys, if you have any questions or any suggesting any improvements, guys, feel free and do what you want to say at the comments down below.